Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating these gorgeous white French tip nails with butterflies, so if you want to see how I created these nails, keep watching this video. Alright, so I'm starting this video off with my nails already prepped, and I have my half cover nail tips glued to my nails already. Sometimes I include this part in my videos, but because this is a longer video, I'm going to skip it. And then this nail set I have on my right hand, if you'd like to see how I did that, please check out my previous video. And so now I'm going to just file the shininess off of the nail and make it more rough. And then I'm going to blend in the nail tips with my nail.
Too hot like a furnace. Got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights go. You and I take a ride down the boulevard. And your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Oh, shit. Good place. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Shoot your information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the pepper bunch of flashing crazy. Swallow the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Fucking my mentor, 20,000 patent Picasso. Bitch, be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. With the color working on the bachelor. Now you gotta pass, I gotta pass, it's in the back of what's average. I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. You know it's like this. You try, you know you're nice like this. Put some spotlight on the sky. Oh yeah. Whatever comes too quick. Do you smile on your eyes like this? Do you try nice like this? Put some spotlight.
So I'm using the Makartt Polygel in the color French Press to do the first part of this nail design, and I cured a layer of base coat gel on my nail off camera, which you're supposed to do on your fingers before you start applying the polygel. So I do that one finger at a time. And so for this design, I'm going to use a little bit of the polygel on my nail to create an almond shape, and I'm going to mold that into that almond shape, cure it, and then I'm going to continue on to the rest of the French tip design. I'm using my e-file and a tapered drill bit to define the sides of this smile line here, and then I'm just going to do that for all of the nails, and then I'll get into the second part of the polygel application. So now I'm using white polygel from Makartt, and I'm going to create the rest of the French tip design here, and I'm going to mold it into the corners as well, which can be a little tricky, but if you take your time, you can get it right.
Show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the thing. celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know what the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. Definitely going down.
Now that I'm finished with the polygel, I'm going to use my tapered drill bit again, and I'm going to file the cuticle area to make it more defined. It's really important when you're applying polygel to make sure that you're not over flooding the cuticles, but that's something that I'm still learning, so when that happens, I like to go in with this drill bit to make it more defined. And even if I don't, it's still a nice habit to have just to make it more crisp. So for the way that I do my polygel nails, I always do two different parts, the nude part and then the part with color, which is the white part here. And then I drill them down to make them even so that it looks really nice. So as you see here, I'm using my barrel drill bit and I'm just filing down the thickness. Sometimes one side is a bit thicker than the other, so you have to really get in with that drill bit, but you don't want to be too heavy-handed so you don't go overboard and drill one side way too much than the other. And so I'm doing this for all of my nails, but I'm only going to show one just because it's pretty tedious and I don't want the video to go on too long. So right now I am applying base coat to all of my nails and I'm going to cure them for 10 seconds before I continue. So now I'm using a transparent pink gel polish with glitter just because I wanted to create like a little glitter overlay over the nails before I continue. And it's kind of pink. It looks really pink on the brush, but when you like lay it down, it's only like a really light tint of a pink, which I don't mind as long as it doesn't overpower the nail look. So last but not least, I'm using my rhinestone glue from Makartt to glue down some rhinestones. I'm using some silver butterflies that I got from Temu, and I'm also using some regular circular rhinestones that I probably got from Amazon, but I will link everything below. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like how this nail set came out. Please make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe so that you guys never miss any uploads to my channel. And I really want to thank you for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.